More parts came in. Let's see what's in the box today. The Jeep Wranglers dual parts, and you can see they say Jeep on them. This is gonna be nice. There we go. Nice. Comes with the two-face tape, instructions, and these are Mopar original parts. Here's some instructions on how to install them. They do say left and right on them. On the bag they do. See right there, it says front left. This one says front right. Comes with the alcohol pads. Alcohol pads. Make sure it's good weather. It's not raining. You don't look forward. You're gonna peel it off clean and stick it on. Press down. Wipe 5 minutes. Blah. And there you go. So let's go out to the Jeep and try to install them.